Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about cognitive remediation is used in schizophrenia for improvement of cognitive functions like memory, attention, planning, concentration, and execution. So, this cognitive remediation is mainly used for improvement of cognitive functions. So, it will improve the cognitive functions. What cognitive functions does this cognitive remediation improves? It improves attention, it improves concentration, it improves memory, and planning and execution is improved by cognitive remediation. Thank you, and thank you for watching.